Welcome to Make It Easy. Hareesa is a Kashmiri classic meat preparation, particularly relished in the chilly winter mornings. This mutton pasty is a savoury, slowly cooked, blending the flavours of whole spices and tempered with shallots and mustard oil. This warm punch is perfect to serve hot with roti or naan. Here's the easiest way to nail the harissa. Take 2 kg of mutton and wash it thoroughly. Put it in a pressure cooker or in any other copper vessel. Add approximately 2 liters of water to this so that the mutton immerses in it well. Now using a muslin cloth, make a pouch of spices or the potli. Take 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds or badian and 4 to 5 black cardamom or badi elaichi. Take 2 cinnamon sticks or dalchini. Now add 10 to 12 green cardamom or choti elaichi. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, kala jeera. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can also use sabut dhania or coriander seeds. Now tie a knot of the muslin cloth and make a pouch or potli of the spices. On low flame until the bones get separated from the mutton. Here I am using the pressure cooker to speed up the process. Add salt according to your taste. We will take out the mutton in a separate vessel. After deboning, the mutton has reduced to 1 kg. Initially we had taken 2 kg, and now here I have added the mutton stock after straining to make sure that no bones are left behind. Now to this I will add 2 cups of thoroughly washed Kashmiri rice. Now the rice has cooked properly. The next step after this one is to mash the mutton along with the rice, and this is traditionally done using a wooden pestle or masher. But here I am using a blender to do this. It saves the time, and I can vouch that there is no significant difference in the texture. You can do it either way. Only take care to blend the harissa moderately and not too finely. Or prawn, and fry them until golden brown. For frying I have used 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. The mustard oil and shallots provide a unique texture and taste to the harissa. Now I'm adding the tempering. As you can see, the shallots are golden brown and the tempering has been added to the harissa. Now cook the harissa on As the oil leaves the sides of the harissa, it is ready to be served. Simmering hot harissa, served with roti or naan, is perfect to beat the winter chill. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates.